Quick step-by-step tutorial. Prioritize network interface for traffic in Windows 10 11. Brief explanation. To ensure that network traffic on your Windows 10 11 computers uses Interface 1 by default and only switches to Interface 2 when Interface 1 is unavailable, you need to set the network interface metric. The network interface with the lower metric will be preferred for network traffic. This guide will show you how to configure the metrics for each network interface to achieve this behavior. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Open Network Connections. Press WinR, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Network Connections window, where all network interfaces are listed. 2. Access Properties of Interface 1. Right-click on Interface 1, the interface you want to prioritize, and select Properties. This will open the Properties window for Interface 1. Now 3. Open TCP/IPv4 Properties. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click on Properties to configure TCP/IP settings. 4. Configure Advanced Settings. Click the Advanced button in the TCP/IPv4 Properties window. This opens the Advanced TCP/IP Settings window, where you can set the interface metric. 5. Set Interface 1 metric. Uncheck the box Automatic Metric if it is checked. Enter a lower number, e.g., 10, in the Interface Metric field. A lower metric value gives this interface higher priority. 6. Repeat for Interface 2 with a higher metric. Close all dialogues for Interface 1 and repeat steps 2 to 5 for Interface 2. Set a higher metric value, e.g. 20, for Interface 2 to make it a fallback option. 7. Apply and save settings. Click OK on all open windows to save the changes for both interfaces. This ensures that Interface 1 is prioritized and Interface 2 is only used when Interface 1 is unavailable.